Moving to the rear of the unit is the cradle, stiffener plate, and bat wedges or bats. The gasket is inserted first and is cut slightly larger than the space holding it. The reason for this is to allow the gasket opening to spread. Be sure the gasket opening is cut to the size of the lining material you intend to use. If using a transition liner, use a stiffener plate and gasket sized for the largest material being processed. Four-inch material will process through a 6-inch gasket and a 6-inch stiffener plate. Next, the stiffener plate attached to the cradle is inserted over the gasket. Be sure that the screws holding the stiffener plate are flush to the stiffener plate and not protruding, which will keep the gasket from sealing.